Oral presentation English Level 2. My name is Angie Larion. Stage 1. Tips to go to Villavicencio. On December 24 of the year last, I went to Villavicencio, capital of the department of Meta. I stayed in this beautiful city for about 8 days. I went with my daughter and my husband. I liked this trip because, besides being cheap, we shared beautiful family days. I also liked it because there were many places to visit. For example, I went to the Bioparque de los Ocarros, a beautiful place where we had the opportunity to meet different species of flora and fauna that we had never seen. I returned the 1st of January 2018 because my husband had to work the next day. The weather in Villavicencio is warm, but sometimes it changes suddenly. In the morning it is sunny, but it becomes cloudy in the afternoon. Despite being cloudy, it is very hot. Recommendations: it is necessary for people to use sunscreen. It is debatable today money to pay entrance to the biopark. It is important to use a hat. It is recommended to wear comfortable clothes. If you take children, it is debatable to take them by the hand to avoid accidents. It is important to bring enough liquid to take. Do not forget to bring a photographic camera. It is important to use sunglasses. What you should do: if you plan to go to Villavicencio, first you have to find out how the state of the villa is located, because it is very dangerous. There may be landslides. You had better to take comfortable shoes to the biopark. You have to walk a lot. What you shouldn't do: you shouldn't touch to the animals in the biopark. It's prohibited. You had better that you do not forget your camera photography.